Hello, so I have this beautiful dragon that is articulated. I got it on a expo event here in Oakland. It's called Armageddon, and it's beautiful. And I've been wanting to paint it since that event, but I haven't had the chance. So I finally gonna start. So I still have no idea exactly what I want to do, but I do know that I want to add some leafing on it, some gold. Now, unfortunately, I did run out of black paint, so I got nothing left. So no black. So I will have to think about other options and see how this can work. The other thing I was thinking is maybe use some pan pastels, and I do have black, so maybe try to seal it and maybe see if pan pastels work, and then do like a black and gold sort of thing. So gold for the roses and the rest of his body black, but I'm not really sure. I just did paint his eyes, so I just started with that. But let's see how this might work. Now it's the first time recorded myself, so just bear with me. It might not be really great quality or perspective, so let's try.